What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Forte. On our last behind the scenes video, we shot in the tulip fields of Holland, Michigan. This week, we are going to dive into footage from a shoot we did that took place in Breckenridge, Colorado earlier this fall. Traveling for shoots can be a double-edged sword, especially during the wedding season. Much of my time is spent editing in the hotel room or at a coffee shop. Our deadlines don't change if we go on a trip, so we have to be disciplined and diligent and get the work done remotely. We're in Denver area. We're shooting in Breckenridge today. And I'm working on culling through this weekend's weddings, and I realized that I didn't put one of the cards on for this wedding. One of our other shooters, Lindsay, likes to shoot on multiple cards. I'm not used to that, so it didn't click in my head to put it on. But thankfully I brought the cards, but I didn't bring a card reader for CF Express. So we need to go find a Best Buy and go get the card reader so I can finish these up and get sneak peeks up, because it doesn't matter if we're on the road or if we're at home, we still have to get our sneak peeks up, we still have to hit our wedding deadlines. I was editing till like midnight last night, got a wedding done, and now I'm trying to get these sneak peeks done. I've shot in Colorado about 6 times now, and for this trip we wanted to try shooting a new location. After a whole lot of online research and talking to a few photographers, we decided to stick with a location in Breckenridge. When we made it to the location for the first time, we were a bit underwhelmed with the spot. I think what I saw before was people shooting kind of on this trail with this fence line, and the thing is, we have that in Boulder too, but it's kind of, the spot in Boulder is a lot like Yosemite. This is cool, but I'm like, I don't know. I feel like maybe I'm just like infatuation phase, because it was my first time shooting the mountains last time I was in Colorado, or when I shot the Boulder location, that was my first time ever shooting in Colorado. And I might just be in like, having like infatuation phase and remembering it better than it is. It's kind of tough to make the decision, but we got like an hour till we have to tell them for sure where we're going. There's also some rain situation that we're kind of dancing around with, and it's been kind of on and off rain. There might be some thunderstorms, and so we're having to kind of make a decision that's going to be best and that we're not going to get rained out, because when we do trips like these, they're fast turnarounds. The couples and us don't have time to like just take all week to do this session, so we gotta make the right call. But we're gonna go check out, this looks like the actual point. I'm a little bit underwhelmed, so I think we're probably gonna find a new location in Boulder. Stay tuned. We're on the back side of the spot that we were at before Sapphire Point. This is kind of like outskirts of Breckenridge. I was gonna quick check out Loveland Pass because it was just a name that I recognized, and I had just texted the clients, let's just go to Boulder. Then we found this. This is pretty cool. So I told them, actually scratch that, give me a call. So we're gonna wait out here for him to give me a call, and I think this might end up being it. The backside of the mountain is just way cooler than what we were looking at before, so. But just gonna get some ideas. The nice thing is we don't shoot till 6, so we can keep finding more stuff if this isn't enough, but having a point like this is pretty cool, I think. Not too much, yeah. So at first we were a little bit underwhelmed with the original spot I was looking at online. But we were kind of driving out the back side and found some really insane stuff. you know, some, I don't know, like little rock beaches that jut out into the water with the mountains in the background. So that's a lot cooler. The other one, have you ever been to Lost Gulch Lookout in Boulder? Yeah, because that's like, I shot there like maybe 5 or 6 years ago, and that kind of felt more like on top of the world, you know? I thought it was pretty insane. Yeah, I mean, so far so good. We hit a little bit of sprinkles, and there's definitely some rainy looking clouds. But everything's been pretty, like you were saying, pretty short spurts. And you know, a little bit of sunshine mixed in there too. So, but yeah, I don't know. I feel like we'd probably be all right. Okay, cool, awesome. You want to try to get here at like, can we say like 6-ish? Yeah, cool. And I'm gonna, the point I'm at right now is where I want to start, so I will send you this location right when we get off the phone, and we can plan to be here. Cool, sounds good. We'll see you in a bit. Yep, bye. It's settled. We're shooting here. These guys are like Colorado locals. I think he's lived here for quite some time, so he wasn't as keen on going to Boulder because it's super popular, super busy. For good reason. It's gorgeous out there too, but I'm excited. This water stuff will be cool. I feel like we don't shoot like actual cool lakes like this always, so I gotta send him the location. Like, we're still gonna check out Loveland Pass. It's cold. 64 degrees. We had one day to get this shoot done, and unfortunately, there was rain forecasted for our scheduled start time. With the session start time quickly approaching, the weather seemed to get increasingly worse. It's not looking very good right now weather-wise. We got a little break in the clouds over that way. Hopefully that keeps coming our way because it's raining pretty good right now.
Take the second exit.
We're up to 80% at 6 p.m. Probably should have gone to Boulder. But you don't know till you know. And I think if we just drive west, looking at this radar, if we drive west, we might be able to get out of it and still get a good session in. And maybe by the end of the session, things will be a bit dry. We can kind of go and at Loveland Pass. That might be dry right now, actually. I think that might be to the west of us. But this is about as bad as it gets. Like, I mean, it could be like raining sideways and raining cats and dogs, and it's not. But in terms of making beautiful imagery, beautiful portraiture, you don't want rain like this. You don't want things being soaked, and you certainly don't want things to be rainy and soaking when you're flying out of state for a shoot and you only got a day and a half to get it done. So we're gonna have to get creative here. We're gonna have to drive, and thankfully we're professional videographers who know what good light is, what good locations are. Since we understand light, we understand where we need to be at what time. That helps us to identify really quickly where we need to go. So if we just hit the road and go west till things are dry, that might be what we have to do. So this did not work as planned, though. Things don't always work as planned, so. Now this is going crazy. This is gonna look good. Crazy the difference 10 minutes can do. Dana, do you have a side you prefer to be photographed on?
Neither.
Neither? Okay.
I would say probably left.
Left, okay. Well, I mean, that way we get your ring too then.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay.
All right, Matt, you don't got anything in the pockets, right? Nope. No hairbands on the wrists? Wonderful. All right, so I'm gonna coach you guys through everything, I'll tell you where to go, what to do. But if I tell you to do something, don't feel like you have to stay in that static position. Love language needs to be physical touch today. Think of it like I'm taking a video of you, get touchy, feely, smushy. We're gonna be using a lot of words like that today. So, all right, so first thing I'd like to do, I'm gonna have you guys hold hands. I just want you to kind of walk towards all the rocks, the big rocks. So you guys can kind of slowly make your way out that way. And in a second, I'm gonna have Dana look at me. And Dana, look. Perfect, look past me. Awesome. This couple of... Oh man, you guys are gonna be too easy for me. Awesome, looking towards each other. Let's get a quick kiss, smile in, then kiss, and then smile out at each other. Let's do it one more time. Sorry, I'm slow. Perfect, cool. I'm gonna get further back. Dana, I want you to take your ring hand and hang off of his shoulder right there. Yep. No, the close shoulder. Yeah, just like that. Snuggle in there. Matt, spare hand in your pocket, middle arm around. Matt, you're looking that way. Dana, you're gonna be looking right at me with your face right here. Perfect. And then Dana, eyes that way. Okay, I'm gonna put you guys on this rock. You're gonna go belly to belly. All right, first you're just looking towards each other. Matt, can you take your right hand and kind of go under her ear and hair? Yep, kind of pull her in, then quick kiss there. Beautiful. And then I'm gonna get super duper tight. Actually, I'm gonna lens switch, Nick.
I'll go to the bone.
All right, let's go one. I like one better. Perfect. Then smile into the kiss and then smile out of the kiss at each other. Beautiful. And then Dana, look here. Perfect. Then Dana, I want you just to kind of fall into his shoulder. Yes. Stay like that. Stay snuggled up. Each other. And then Dana, look all the way back towards the car. And then Matt, pull her and give her some kisses there. Beautiful. Keep hanging out. Then look back towards each other. And then kiss. Beautiful. Cool. Okay, you guys can hold hands and walk it out of there. Look, and then jet back this way. I'm just gonna stick you guys in this little dirt spot right here. Perfect. And then do you guys wanna just hold hands and kind of in and out like so? That's good. Beautiful. And then on the next one, Dana, hug around his neck with all your arms. Beautiful. Little slight baby dip kiss right there. Yes. Love it. Beautiful. Awesome. Why don't you guys hold hands and take in the view for a second and ignore me. Do that again, Dana. I like that. And Dana, I'd like it if maybe you can like cross your ankles or something. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, just like that. Look towards each other first. And then can you guys walk it towards me? And I like how you're holding his hand. All right, look at each other. Stop there and kiss. Beautiful. Got it. Cool. Okay. I think we can walk back out and then we can start working our way up. Now we're gonna go like hands and pockets this way, and then Dana, you go under the arms. Lay your head in there.
Like this?
Yeah. Pull me. Cool. Get those heads squishy. Perfect. And there, you can undo that. Angle in towards each other. Yeah, just like that. Perfect. Beautiful. I want you guys to actually. Yeah, you want one for you. Wait,
Don't get weird with your arms. Looking at each other. That's how you stay warm. They get in there nice and close.
I can only run fast.
Perfect. That's excellent. I kind of like what you're doing right there, Dana. Do that again. However you're holding on to them.
Oh, I don't
My
remember.
fingers are getting cold.
Oh
That's cool down. Yeah, like, man, look up towards the, yeah. And Dana, look at me. Exactly what we want. We're happy. That was good. That was a sketchy spot for that. Beautiful view though.
no. Oh my God, so pretty.
If you fell down, it'd be a nice flash
Yeah,
view.
yeah, it would. It would. You're right. So,
Dave, if you just reach out from here and
Yes.
get touchy with Matt's hand, I want to see your ring. Yeah. Nice. Let's get one of those nice dip kisses right there too.
oh,
Nice. That was beautiful.
I did the wrong leg.
Guys, pull arms around each other and walk it to me.
Yes.
Yeah. Let's go spare hands in the pockets. Yeah. Beautiful. Look at each other. Kiss. Beautiful. Love it.
Although it was raining right up to the start of the session, we were blessed with incredible light and an awesome shoot. This truly was a dream shoot. Thanks so much for watching. This will be a very fun memory for me to look back and think about this shoot. If you haven't already, hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.